Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If you love gammon, this sticky honey mustard glazed version is a must. On to ingredients. Okay, nice bit of gammon here. I've got an onion, a carrot and some celery to make our stock, a little bit of water, a few peppercorns, about a 6 there. Using a bouquet garni, you can make your own. I just bought these, and we're going to pop some cloves in the top, and we've got English mustard, brown sugar and some lovely runny honey that's going to make that beautiful glaze. Okay, so you'll need to roughly peel and chop your carrot, your onion and your celery. These are going to go in to make our lovely stock, that water in the pot. Doesn't matter about this, just roughly chop them. Get your bits together. So I need a bouquet garni there. So water in, bouquet garni, a few peppercorns, onion, carrots and celery. Next up we're going to get our nice bit of gammon, so I'm using the ninjafoodi, popping that in the crisp basket. I'm going to use the probe, don't worry if you don't have this. Okay, so my probe's going to get the centre to 85 degrees centigrade. You could do that on your own with a thermometer after you've cooked, or look it up on a meat chart. So mine's going in there on pressure high for as long as it takes. The time's automatic on the foodie, but like I said, you want to get to 85 degrees in the centre. So let's make this glaze. Brown sugar, mustard and honey. Look at that sticky honey. Mix those together. That's going to make a lovely paste that we're going to put on top of our gammon. So when the gammon's finished cooking, we're going to gently open it up. Oh, look at that, and take it out. There we go. And then I'm just going to remove this string from the outside, and we want to take that top layer of skin off. So it should just peel right off, so just gently ease it off. Get that down to almost the meat, just a little layer of fat on top. Okay, next up we're going to score it in a crisscross fashion. So slicing one way, you're just going down a little bit just till you touch the meat, and then the other way. Next up we're going to put some cloves in. This is the fun bit, makes it look really nice and tasty. So cloves in the top, one in each of the squares. Now for the glaze, put this beautiful glaze on. Get it all over that gammon. Make sure that makes it really sticky. So next we're going to get rid of the stock. Put that to one side. You can use it another time and clean the pot out. Crisp basket goes back in. Lovely gammon goes back in. Oh, get that over the top. Get a little bit more glaze on if we can. Air fry on 200 degrees centigrade for 5 to 7 minutes. I did mine for 7 minutes. Okay, you can check to see when it's golden brown, but here we go. There she is, bubbling away. Look at that. Lovely gammon. Let it rest. Have that with lovely mashed potato and green beans, or you can slice it up and have it with a salad. So there we have it, our lovely honey mustard sticky gammon. Can't wait to eat that.